This home was empty, but now every space works. With a clear plan and a Japandi approach, furniture and decor were added only where needed, giving purpose and flow. The design keeps it simple, functional, and bright. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the living area, furniture placement creates a calm, organized zone. Then, the kitchen. The kitchen stays efficient with everything within reach. Moving through the hallway, the corridor flows naturally without clutter. This shows you don't need more space, just a smart plan. With a Japandi style guiding the layout and furniture, your home can feel calm, warm, and practical. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.